apa? Ngatek-ngatek.
Barang pokok padu iki. Oh gitu oh ya. Sik Mas,
Iya. Didik Kasbul.
Kena tulang. Anu. Semua orang tidak menyadari kalau sebenarnya wow.
Orang bahkan tidak menyadari dan saya berpikir, wow.
Anu. Rizky Ancuk.
Bajingan. Teman.
Tukang syuting andalan di Republik Pelik Ibu, Mas. Indonesia Raya merdeka kabeh pokoknya. Pokoknya wonderful Tulungagung. Sampai ngeloyo bagus kesel kayak aku. Tenan nih. Kau panas pol beduk ngenteng-ngenteng soalnya. Anu, soalnya sing diserang kudune es teh. Soalnya dodone loro. Kuciwa, cara Jawane kuciwa gelo.
Cara Jawane gelo.
Kuciwa. Kuwi kadung tatu. Angel lah teman-teman. Cara aku boleh togel tanganku kok. Malah kula lho. Karung piye to sini?
Anu, cara itu roto hilang kabeh. Muspro.
Mus ilang mus, Bro.
Muspro.
Guang pisan ae. Kesan dan pesan hari ini adalah utamakan duluan, menjauhlah dari rasan-rasan. Iya, Mas. Aku ra kuat bosku. Oh, panas pol kowe. Ya Allah ya Rabbi ya salam. Kayaknya malah foto-foto ning ngono. Panasnya kucluk. Sampai keringet metu kabeh cara ditagih iki sak timba, Bos. Sampai anu, arep melek angel lho. Halo guys. Welcome to back oke. Ora iso mun Inggris iki, Bos. Welcome to my back Pelik Ibu. Apa? Ora roh aku. Wis ana Jawa ya. Selamat. Iya, wangel lho muni. Waduk Wonorejo. Waduk. Bendungan Wonorejo, Bos. Bendungan Wonorejo. Terus kadung sayang-sayangan. Jebule rabine malah karo wong liya. Ya asu. Trenggalek Ponorogo, Bos. Wis remu ki. Tapi di sensor. Kena copyright. Trenggalek Ponorogo. Selek. Suwi sampe rusak wae. Kita orang madang, makane lemune suruh diplak. Aku jual dulu ya. Aku pengen waktu menyendiri dan boys.
Njalukmu kok kene tengah apa ning pinggir?
dhewe yang mergo pengen bebas nyaman sampe liyane. Edan kok dhewe mergo
Fuck your girl, she a nympho. At least for this D, she take a knee like Kaepernick. I'm snapping pics, I'm popping off. My swagger drips, call it hot sauce. I got a lot of bitches on my dick. I knock them off. I'm getting pissed, please knock it off. I'm popping off now. The way I run my city, swear I got this whole town. I'm locked up in this bitch. This is not up for discussion. I don't talk, man, I just does it. And my vision getting fuzzy. Cause if you just drank what I drank, if you saw what I see, my eyes always stay red. Cause I don't fuck with all that Vaziness and currency. When I step up in the function, my girl on my back always swear I'm up to something. Well, maybe I am, I'm always lying. She always crying, I'm buying because I'm flying. Maybe I'm biased to getting money. This ain't even funny, you a joke though. I got her legs up and my hands are in her throat. Ho, she love it, I know she love it. Fuck easy does it, you can clearly see it's me. That's ANT who always does it. I'ma talk all of my shit, I'ma break all of you down. I'ma fly up and get lit. You can hate all on my sound, but I would never give a shit. Too high to feel so down, too high to feel so down. Feel so down, feel so down, down. Yeah, you know I'm running now. Fuck a check up and I'm still counting hundreds now. My next feature's gonna run you up a couple thou. You should know I'm fucking round, man, I think I'm bugging now.